EWCS, and today I'm going to teach you how to store your energy web token on the Ledger Nano S/X. I'm currently working with the Ledger Nano X as my tutorial device, fresh out the box. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is head over to energyweb.org. What you want to do, hover your mouse over build, head over to documentation. Want to scroll down until we find the setup for MetaMask to interact with the energy web chain. You want to scroll down. So on your MetaMask, you want to hit custom RPC, and you just want to input this information right here, just so all of y'all can see that how simple it is right here. Input this information in your MetaMask, just like this. I'm going to show you how to do it on the Brave wallet. So I'm going to hit this three dots here, head over to settings, head over to networks, hit add, and just configure the settings. And then once you got that installed, you want to go from Ethereum, scroll down until you see energy web chain. So EWC, and there you go. So you see my balance of energy web token. So this confirms that I'm on the actual network. I'm gonna head over to KuCoin. I'm gonna withdraw this. I don't recommend you holding EWT on exchanges. Not a smart move, not a smart play. So I'm gonna copy my recipient address on the Ledger application. It's the same thing. So I'm gonna copy this, head back over to KuCoin, paste that in, select the network, energy web chain. I'm gonna withdraw all, and the fee is only 1 EWT. That's fantastic. Hit withdraw. I'm gonna do my security verification for withdraw, and I'm gonna cut it here. All right, so I just received my other portion of my EWT, so you can look at the balance. You can definitely tell the difference there. And yeah, this wraps up the tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the subscribe button, turn on bells notifications. Also leave me a like for the support. This is Oliver, and I'm signing out.